Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today I am going to show you how to make bitter gourd fry, pavakai fry, Karela fry from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Ingredients for bitter gourd roast, pavakai roast, 3 number bitter gourd, 4 tablespoons of chana gram or gram flour, 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, half tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. If it is Kashmiri chilli powder, you can take half tablespoon. Ordinary chilli powder, you can take half of that one, that is quarter tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, and salt to taste. I am going to show you how to prepare bitter gourd roast, pavakai roast from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. We have to cut the bitter gourd slices like this, very thin slices as much as possible. I have to cut this one. So we have to marinate. It's gram flour, Kashmiri chilli powder. Bitter gourd is actually very good for diabetics. So turmeric powder, Asafoetida powder, rice flour, and salt to taste, approximately 1 teaspoon. So we have to marinate and leave it for 45 to 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. No need to put water. There is water in the salt, so it will absorb water. So no need to add the water. You have to mix it well and leave it for 1 hour. After that you have to deep fry in the oil. Bitter gourd roast, pavakai roast from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. We added the oil to fry. We are going to deep fry the bitter gourd fry. We marinated. It's an hour now. We have not added the water. See, there is moisture in this mixture. If you add more water, it will not be crispy. So no need to add water. Only mix all the ingredients and marinate for 1 hour. Now the mixture is ready to fry. We are going to fry this one. Bitter gourd fry from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. It's a while now. Because of some unavoidable circumstances, I didn't make any recipe more than 2 weeks now. So I think you like this one. Kids loves to eat in this form. If you are giving bitter gourd in other form, they will not like definitely. But kids loves to eat. This will go with rasam, with rice, or with vatta kodumbu and rice. I made a recipe for rasam and vatta kodumbu also. You can have a look that one also. I think definitely you will like. So we are going to fry this one. Oil is getting heated up. We have not added any water. See the mixture, how it is. It's absorbing the atmosphere moisture. That's why it looks like this. We're going to test whether it is ready to fry or not. Yeah, it's ready to fry now. We're going to sprinkle the marinated bitter gourd. Have to put like this. Bitter gourd fry from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Wow! Bitter gourd is very good for diabetes, and it plays a vital role in loss of weight also. Bitter gourd juice is very good for diabetes. It will reduce the blood sugar. It will keep in control. if you are having regularly the bitter gourd juice. Have to fry till it turns to golden brown color. It should be fried in medium flame. See the color? Keep in medium flame always. The benefits of medium flame is, if you cook in medium flame, it will cook evenly. Inside, outside, everything will be cooked evenly and it will be crispy. So it's ready to remove from the oil now. It's fully fried. Karela fry, pavaka fry, bitter gourd fry from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video or if you want to support my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.